Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I'm going to talk about ActiveX controls and the objects. What is object-oriented language? You have heard the word OOL or the objects or the ActiveX controls, and you have heard about object-oriented language. So I'm not going to use the very technical details. I'm going to tell you what is OOL in layman terms so that you can understand. So when the programming started, everyone used to program pixel to pixel and in detail. For example, if someone has to display A, it may take this something like vector designing to display an A. For example, maybe that programmer has to tell that draw a line from point A to point B. Sorry, maybe we can use something better like this line from point 1 to point 2, and then another line point 3 to point 2, and then a line crossing the first two lines. So this is how an A is displayed. This was cumbersome, and everyone has to program how to display an A. So there was a need that there should be some common things, common programming, common code that can be used by all the programmers. So someone coded how an A will be drawn and left the properties to be decided by the user. And what are those properties? Like, should this be of red color? Or should this be of small size? Or this should be of large size? How thick should be the boundaries or the lines? So the object was A, and that object can be used by anyone. He can tune the properties according to his needs, and he can use this A. So this is the layman's concept of object-oriented programming. So there is an object that is coded by someone else, and that can be used by any programmer in his code by calling that object. Right? So objects are workbooks and worksheets, and ActiveX controls can be termed as objects, and we will go and see and talk about libraries. These are the dictionaries, but this video is just to give you an idea about objects in layman terms. This is an object designed by someone and left the properties for the user to change and utilize in his code. So with this concept, we move forward and end this video. So my description of objects may not be technically 100% correct, but for layman, this is how an understanding can be developed.